Hi, my name is Chien, and welcome back to the Basic Learning SQL Server training course. Okay, so today we will continue with day 3. I will talk about what is join in SQL Server and how many types of join in the SQL Server. The agenda is inner join, left join, right join, full join, group by, and having. Okay, so we use some join and group by and having when you want to combine the data from some table uh, in the database in one the script. Okay, so basically when you're working in a project, you will always getting the data from the multiple table in this only one. So that's why we have the join and group by here. Okay, so let's get started. You can find the other video from my channel under the SQL Server Learning playlist. Okay, let's open the SQL Server. I will close this one. Close this one. Okay, new query. Okay, I will select, make it bigger. Select. Okay, here. Currently we have two table category and product, and now when we execute the select query here, so it will display the separated data from both table here. So now if we want to combine the all of data from category and product table into one return table data result. So how to do it? Okay, so we should use the join, and we have some type of join inner join, left join, and right join, full join. And in the join we can call it e join. Left join you can also call it left outer join. Same thing here. Right. And full outer join. Okay, cool. And now I will talk about what's the difference between four types here. Okay, so in the join it will return the records that have matching value in the both table. Okay, so for example, you have, okay, I will open the pen. You have two table here. Okay, this one. We have table 1, table 2. When we use the inner join, so it will return all of the records that have matching value in the both table. So it should be order of data here. Okay. We'll, we'll delete this. How about when we use the left outer join? So we use left outer join here, for example, here. So it will Left after join, we will return all the records from the left table and the method data records from the right table. So that means we have all of data. Oh, sorry. Here and also here. Okay. So same thing when we use the right, so it will return only right after join. It will return only the data from the all the records from the right table and the method records from the left table. Okay, and what is next? So we have the last one is full after join. So it will return all of the records when they matching in either left or right table. So that means all of table, all of data here will be returned. Okay, so I hope that my explanation is clear for you. Feel free to let me know if you have questions. Okay, back to the management tool. So now I will show the demo in Azure. So first thing, okay, so I will open the diagram. Back to the when you create a relationship, I will talk it let up again. So you can see here in the category table, I have the category ID. It is primary key of the category table. And in the product ID, I already have a category ID here. That one is a, I will call it the foreign key of the category in the product table. Yeah. So that means if you want to use a join in your query, so you have to so the table you want to be join should be have the relationship. Here we have the relationship between two tables in category ID. Okay. So if now you have another table called username here, and all of the field in that column don't have any relationship with the other table, so you cannot link it. Okay, so now demo the lab. Okay, so we got select. I will temporarily use the select star to get on the column here. So we should specify the right column we want to be displayed on the, the, the return result. I will use the star first, and after that I will use the specify column. No, join in the join with product. We use the on. So the category dot category dot category ID equal product dot category ID. Yeah. So this one is a relationship between two tables. I will comment it. Yeah. You can see here all of the data. It return all of the data from the table here. Okay, I will create another one. because for now we have only two categories, and all of the product under the product table is matching to the table to this bot category here. So now I will create a new category and don't create uh, the corresponding product in this product table. So what happened? TV. Let me edit TV. This is the category of TV devices. Okay. So now we have 3 and try to execute again. For now we have 11 row. Still 11 row. Yes, because we don't have any product matching into the category 3 under the category table. So that's why we still get the same record. Okay. One important thing is if that here. So why we should specify the table name here before the boy category ID. So we have to specify it here to make it clear in order to get the data from the database. Okay, so for example, if we have the table name is very long here, so after that we have the same thing we copy here and so it will make our script is very long and look not good. So how to do it if the table name is very long? Okay, wait. I will temporarily create an alias for the table etc or you can add c p. So you can use c character in this category c and this one is p. It will return the same 11 row. Okay, so JavaScript will look beautiful. Okay, now I will copy this one and back to the left join. Okay, sorry. You can use inner join or join here. It will return the same thing. 11. Left join. Change it to left. And now the left join is category. So we have 3 category. Okay, let's run it. Here you can see the records is increased 1 row. The category 3 here we have no product in a product table, so it will return a null value for product. Okay, so now I will continue with try. It will be the same thing. Eleven. It will include the category 3. Full. $12. Okay. Include category 3. Okay. So now when you take a look into the return data result here, you can see we have all of the column of both table here displaying here. So for example, if you have a lot of table combining the data here, so you have a ton of column display here. So now I just want to display the category ID, name, description, product name, and price and quantity. So how to do it? Okay, so let's go ahead to specify which column you want to be displayed on the return result. So it did that using star here. Okay, I will copy this. I will use it in sorry. See like category C dot category ID name description from. You should break it down here. You can also break it down here to make it look better. You have b dot name b dot reply quantity. Okay, so now run it. Okay, so the return result will look beautiful. Okay, so now if you have another table want to include this in the return result here, so you can use the inner join table, for example, part 2, part 3, and page 2. Yeah, this one is just an example, and we never join it again with one table here. So if we return the same thing here, if you want it is like p1 dot product name. You can also here p1 dot. Okay, run it. Oh, sorry. Yes, it is you should description. Oh, we don't have. Okay, for example, again name. We will talk it in another video here. And we should name is an alias that gloomy that. Okay, so now I will back to the okay, so open the slide. We will continue with group and having. Okay, so group we will often use group with the aggregate function such as a count, max, min, sum, and aggregate, average, and to group the result set by one or more column. Okay, so now I will show the demo. For example, here you can see on the table we have a lot of category E1 and 2. Category B laptop. So now if we want to use groups, we will group by the product name. No, I think not work. So we should group by category name here. Okay. We will count how many category, how many product in each category. Okay, so I will back to this one. Group. Here we have inner join. Try to execute again. Basically we have mobile and laptop. Okay, so now I will copy it, keep this one and compare it with later. We select the form. We have firstly I will select from the product first. It will be easy for you to work with a single table first. Okay, here I will group by the category ID. Select count product ID. Product. Okay, from product table. And we have the category ID. And here ID we have to group. If you run this script, it will display the error because it is not contained in either an aggregate function or the group by clause. Group by category. Okay. I will name is add total. Okay. So in the product table we have, okay, I will select bot. In the product table we have four product under the category 1 and 7 product under the category 2. 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, it is right. And now how to do it with the inner join. copy this. We have pay join with category C on payrolls. C dot category group by we have pay pay and pay. Okay, run it. Yes. So now I want to replace the category by the C dot category name ID. So we have to group by category ID in this ID here. Yes, we have laptop E7 and mobile E4. Okay, and now we go next with the having. Okay, so we use the having with go together with group by because when we use a group by we cannot use any condition like where because where it don't have the aggregate function there, so we have to use having. Yeah, the having we have to use the after the group by. So for example here, if we want to only display the total is greater than 4, so we do having total product ID. No, count product ID. Sorry, read for run it. Yes, only display the 7. Okay, comment this one. And, and now if we have a lot of record here with the category name here, so I want to order it by alphabet. So how to do it? We can use the group by order by. So the category name we have assigning and deciding. Assigning when mean you want to order the category name by alphabet and deciding it is okay here is okay, can combine this one here. Okay, so I think that is enough for today. So after you finish this day, you know how to combine the data from multiple table into one query to get the right data from database and insert into any wish for the purpose. And we have 4 types of join. The first one is inner join, left join, right join, and full join. And I already explained more detail for you and also over the example. And we also know how to use the group by. I think it's very important when you want to do some when we do some aggregate function like count, map, mean, and sum, and to calculate the data. For example, in this video, in this tutorial, we are count how many the how many the how many the how many product in the category, in each category. So we know it, and after that we know how to use having. Having is go together with group by, because when you use a group by, we cannot use where clause to add the condition. So that's why we have to use having. And we also know how to use the ordering. It means order by to to return the result by alphabet or another. Okay, so I hope this will helpful for you, and feel free to let me know if you have any question. Bye bye and see you in another day. Talk to you later.